Comparison of Axure components and dynamic panels, which are more popular. In the realm of design and prototyping, both the components and dynamic panels in Axure are highly valuable tools. They each have their own advantages and use cases, so it's difficult to determine which one is more popular as it depends on specific design needs and individual preferences. Axure's components allow designers to create reusable elements such as buttons, form fields, navigation bars, and store them in a component library. This saves time and effort, ensures design consistency, and facilitates reuse across different pages and projects. Components can have interactive states and properties, and they can be updated in real time during the design process. The components are particularly useful when creating and maintaining design systems. On the other hand, Axure's dynamic panel features enable designers to create interactive prototypes that simulate user interactions with the interface. Through dynamic panels, designers can define different page states, user flows, and transition effects. This is useful for showcasing complex user experiences and processes, as it allows for better demonstration and testing of the design's interactivity. Dynamic panels can also be combined with variables and conditional logic to make the prototype more flexible and dynamic. Overall, the components are suitable for creating and managing reusable design elements, aiding in maintaining consistency and improving workflow efficiency. The dynamic panels are suitable for creating highly interactive prototypes, facilitating demonstration and testing of user experiences. Designers typically choose to use these two features based on the specific requirements and goals of their projects, so it's challenging to determine which one is more popular. Which one should you use? When deciding whether to use Axure's components or dynamic panels, it depends on the specific needs and objectives of your project. Here are some factors to consider when making a decision. 1. Reusability. If you have design elements that are used across multiple pages or projects and require consistency, the components would be a suitable choice. Components allow you to create reusable elements that can be easily updated and maintained throughout your design system. 2. Interactivity. If your main focus is on creating interactive prototypes that simulate user interactions and demonstrate complex user experiences, the dynamic panels would be more appropriate. Dynamic panels enable you to define different states, flows, and transitions, providing a more immersive and interactive experience for testing and demonstration purposes. 3. Workflow and efficiency. If your aim is to streamline your design workflow and improve efficiency, the components can be beneficial. They allow you to create a library of reusable elements that can be easily accessed and applied to your designs, saving time and effort in the long run. 4. Demonstration and testing. If your primary goal is to showcase and test the interactivity of your designs, the dynamic panels would be more suitable. They allow you to create realistic user flows and interactions, providing a clearer understanding of the user experience and helping identify potential issues or improvements. Ultimately, the choice between components and dynamic panels depends on the specific requirements and goals of your project. In some cases, you may even find that using both features in combination can provide the best results. Consider your project's needs for reusability, interactivity, workflow, and demonstration/testing to determine which feature is more appropriate for your design tasks.